Hello, I'm Keisuke Shirai. I'm going to present our work, Vision Language Interpreter for Robot Task Planning. This is a joint work between Kyoto University, Omron X, and the University of Tokyo. Given a scene observation describing the environment and the linguistic instructions specifying the task, we are interested in realizing a robot that acts following the instruction while perceiving the environment. This video demonstrates our ultimate goal. Here the robot follows the linguistic instruction, slice the cucumber and place them on the plate by picking up the cucumber, slicing it on the cutting board, and placing them on the plate. This system can be divided into two parts: task planning, which aims to convert the observation and the instruction into a robot plan, and motion planning, which aims to manipulate the robots based on the obtained plan. In this work, we focus on the task planning part. In the context of the conversion of linguistic instructions into robot plans, approaches using large language models have recently attracted attention. These approaches have the advantage of leveraging in-context learning with a few input-output examples and directly converting linguistic instructions into robot plans without additional training. However, the obtained plans are not guaranteed to be logically correct. On the other hand, classical planning uses symbolic planner to obtain logically correct plans. So combining this approach with the language-guided planning would be reasonable. However, this requires converting linguistic instructions into problem descriptions, which specify the task. Therefore, in this study, we propose a novel framework that combines the best of both worlds. Before explaining our framework, we briefly overview PDDL, Planning Domain Definition Language. In this work, we assume that the problem descriptions are written in PDDL. A PDDL problem consists of objects of interest, the initial state of the environment, and the goal specification of the task. A PDDL problem is paired with a PDDL domain, which is given in advance. PDDL domain defines the types of objects, predicates that represent the initial state and the goal specification, and symbolic actions. We propose a visual language interpreter, Vline, that converts a scene observation and linguistic instruction into a robot plan. Vline first generates a problem description based on the observation and the instruction. Then Vline drives a symbolic planner to find the plan based on the generated problem description. Vline consists of three modules: the object estimator, initial state estimator, and the goal estimator. We briefly describe these modules. The object estimator detects objects of interest in the observation using an object detector. The detected objects are converted into a PDDL format by rules. The initial state estimator uses a large language model to generate the initial state in PDDL from detected object positions and captions for the object. The goal estimator uses a large language model to translate the instruction to a goal specification in PDDL. The generated components by the three modules are concatenated to obtain a single PDDL problem. The generated PDDLs sometimes contain errors. In this example, the description mistakenly contains propositions about a carrot, which is not appear in the observation. In such cases, the symbolic planner returns an error message. ViLaIn can refine the problem description by reprompting the large language model to regenerate the description based on the error message and the previously generated description. We refer to this method as corrective reprompting, following previous work. We evaluate ViLaIn on our Prodigy dataset. The dataset covers three domains: cooking, Block's World, and the Tower of Hanoi. Each domain consists of 10 tasks, and each task provides a linguistic instruction, scene observation, and PDDL problem. Note that a single PDDL domain is shared within the same domain. For evaluation, we generated 10 PDDL problems per task by borrowing the input-output examples for in-context learning. The resulting 100 PDDL problems were evaluated. We introduced new metrics, our syntax for evaluating syntactic correctness of the problems, and our plan for evaluating whether the problems have valid plans. The results show that Vline successfully generates syntactically correct problems with 99% accuracy, and those having valid plans with more than 58% accuracy. Thank you for your attention. Check out our code and dataset. You can also find the further experiments in our paper. I'm looking forward to see you at the poster session.